Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate in a kettle. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 1 cup of milk, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Make sure your electric kettle is clean and ready for action. This method is perfect for a quick, cozy treat. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients right inside the kettle. Carefully add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use a small spoon or whisk to mix them together very well. This crucial step helps prevent any lumps from forming when you add the liquid, ensuring a perfectly smooth and delicious hot chocolate. Next, pour about 1 cup of your preferred milk into the kettle, directly over the cocoa and sugar mixture. Stir gently as you add the milk to further dissolve the dry ingredients. Once combined, close the kettle lid and turn it on. Heat the mixture until it's steaming hot, but be careful not to let it boil over. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated, carefully pour it into your favorite mug. Now, for a little secret, add a tiny pinch of salt. It truly brings out the rich chocolate flavor. If you like, top it with some whipped cream or a few mini marshmallows for an extra special treat. Your warm, comforting hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.